Imagine spending months, possibly years, illustrating a book about a world that doesn't exist and writing about it in a language that no one can read. The Codex Seraphinianus is a legendary, obscure book that goes for between $300 and $1,000 online, depending on the edition you're selling. But some libraries haven't figured out how much this book is worth yet, and if you know where to look, you can get a hold of a copy. I found one in my state library system. Behold, the Codex Seraphinianus. But where did it come from? The book was created in 1981 by Luigi Serafini. Serafini is an Italian architect, designer, and artist, and he was looking to make an encyclopedia to an imaginary world. At least that's what people think. No one quite knows what this book is about. Over the years, several people have tried to translate the book, usually approaching it in an academic manner and attempting to decipher it with schools of philosophy, linguistics, and even postmodernism. Only French choreographer Philippe de Couffle has had any success, and he simply took the images inside and adapted them into dance moves. Today, it's your turn to look inside this book. Stuff of Genius is going to take you on a tour inside this rare and bizarre tome. First of all, let's talk about the art. It looks like Serafini used colored pencil and pen and ink on linen paper to render the images. And this is the opposite of what we'd call sequential storytelling. Each of the images jumps from one non sequitur to another. While the language inside is unreadable, Serafini uses standard typographical practices like drop caps, bulleted lists, and footnotes throughout. The content in the book seems to be organized categorically, jumping from flora and fauna to machines and even cities. Honestly, sometimes you don't know what you're looking at, because your only reference is the real world. It seems like Serafini's mixing things that are organic and inorganic together. Sometimes you'll see animals that have wheels, matchsticks, and candles built into them. Other than what I just told you, I can't figure this book out, and I don't think anybody else really has either. The point of the book doesn't seem to be to translate it, but rather to experience it, as if you've actually gone to another world and have no idea how to understand it except through the visuals you're seeing. Do you think you know what this book is about? Or maybe you speak Italian and you know something about Luigi Serafini that I don't. If you do, leave us a message in the comments, and don't forget to click subscribe.